Meaning of insoluble.
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 Insoluble. The term insoluble refers to something that cannot be dissolved or resolved. When a substance is insoluble, it cannot be mixed with a solvent to form a homogeneous solution. Instead, the substance remains separate and distinct from the solvent. In chemistry, this can manifest as the formation of precipitates or the formation of emulsions. Insoluble substances often have unique physical and chemical properties that make them useful in a wide range of industries, including medicine, agriculture, and manufacturing. However, their insolubility can also pose challenges in terms of processing, storage, and use.